Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to the s over 1 plus s squared. Next, we have the v equals to s ds. If we do this integration, we have v equal to s squared over 2. So we have u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 2 s squared arctanx of s minus the u multiplied by v, so we have 1 over 2 in here, and we have the integration s squared over 1 plus s squared ds. S squared, that's it, from here go in here, and 1 plus s squared, they go in here. Next, in this situation, I will add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So this one divide by this one, you got about number 1. So we have 1 minus 1 over 1 plus s squared. The integration of number 1, you got about s. The integration of 1 over 1 plus s squared, we have arctanx of s. And then we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.